Namaste, welcome to Handmade, my YouTube account. My name is Sunny and today I'll share how I made these antlers. If you like this project and want to see more of my work, you can check them out on my account. Would appreciate your likes and shares. To support my work, subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my work on Instagram at creativeheadhm. And now it's time to create. This project is again me working with wire and creating a wireframe. The only difference between this project and my previous work is its bare wireframe, which I decked with other elements later once this frame is complete. I remember thinking and scrapping ideas just like this skull part of these antlers and decided to cover this part with embroidery beads. I made a thunderbolt lamp with similar process. You can check that out on my YouTube channel.
And now that this frame is ready, I will arrange few paper flowers that I made on these antlers. I have also attached a tiny string to few gems. This is how it will look. I have two in drop shapes and one in a square shape. So now all I have to do is I have to arrange these flowers and gems on these antlers.
You guys, hope you liked it. Again, it's a pleasure to share my work with you all. I'll see you guys soon. Do take care. Love and light. Bye.